We love making those sales, but getting those products to our customers is equally as important. I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to set up shipping in WooCommerce. Let's check it out. I'm going to start out at the WordPress admin dashboard. To set up shipping in WooCommerce, the first thing I need to do is make sure that I've set up the selling location and shipping locations for my store in the settings. Select WooCommerce, Settings, and then select the General tab. Scroll down and select the Selling Location dropdown. You'll be able to select from Sell to all countries, Sell to all countries except for, Sell to specific countries. I'm going to select Sell to specific countries and then enter United States, as my store only sells items within the US right now. You can enter as many countries as you'd like in the Sell to specific countries field. Next, I'm going to select the drop-down next to shipping location. You can choose from Ship to all countries you sell to, Ship to all countries, Ship to specific countries only, Disable shipping and shipping calculations. If you plan on shipping to multiple countries, you can select Ship to specific countries and enter the countries in the Ship to specific countries field. I'm going to select Ship to all countries you sell to, since I only ship within the US. Once you have everything filled out, click Save Changes. Okay, now I need to set up a shipping zone. Shipping zones are basically the geographical area of where you ship your physical items. You can set up zones that are specific to continent, country, and even narrow it down to postal codes. You can also set up as many shipping zones as you like. I'm going to set up a shipping zone for customers located in the United States. Click the Shipping tab and then click Add Shipping Zone. I'm going to enter domestic into the zone name field. You can name the field whatever you'd like to. Select United States or US from the Zone Regions field. Next, I'm going to enter the shipping methods that I'm going to offer for customers in the United States. Select Add Shipping Method and then click the drop-down to choose which methods you'd like to offer for the shipping zone. There are 4 options. Flat rate will allow you to set a fixed rate for shipping. You'll want to base this on whatever rate you receive from the shipping companies that you work with. Free shipping is a method that will allow you to offer free shipping in situations where a set minimum order amount is met or if you offer a special coupon. Local pickup will allow the customer to pick up the item in-store or at a location of your choosing. I want to note that taxes based on your store tax settings will apply regardless of the customer's location. Local delivery is an option you can choose if you're using a special local delivery service. Taxes will be based on the customer's shipping address for this option. Select each option that you'd like to offer from the drop-down and then select Add Shipping Method to add them to the shipping zone. You can click and drag any of those options to reorder them as you like. You can also delete the options that you don't want to keep. I'm going to delete the local delivery option as I'm not going to use a local delivery service. Let me show you how to configure the 3 options that I have listed starting with flat rate. Click Edit next to flat rate. Under Method Title, enter how you would like this option displayed for your customers. I'll enter flat rate shipping. Next, select taxable or none. Choose taxable if you are applying a tax rate to the flat rate shipping cost. In the cost field, enter the total cost of the flat rate shipping. This will apply to the entire shopping cart for the customer. I'm going to set my flat rate to $10 and select Save Changes. Now let's set up free shipping. I'm going to select Edit, enter the title, and choose the requirement to receive free shipping on orders from my store. There are 4 options in the dropdown: a valid free shipping coupon, a minimum order amount or a coupon, a minimum order amount and a coupon. I want to offer free shipping on orders over $50, so I'm going to select a minimum order amount and enter 50 in the minimum order amount field. If you offer any discounts to your customers, you can check the box next to Apply Minimum Order Rule before coupon discount so that free shipping would be available based on the pre-discount order amount. You can leave it unchecked if that doesn't matter to you. You have control over that. Once you have everything set up the way you want it, select Save Changes. Okay, let's set up the last one on the list, local pickup. Select Edit under Local Pickup and enter a title. tax status would be for the tax if you offered a cost for local pickup in the cost field. I'm not going to do that since they are coming in to pick it up in store. I'll leave it set to 0. The checkout description field is where you can enter a description of local pickup that your customers will see during checkout. The pickup instructions field is where you can enter specific instructions of what the customer needs to pick up their order. This could be something like asking them to bring the credit card that they use to purchase the item with or the order number. Customers will see these instructions on the order received page, as well as in the processing order and ready for pickup emails. Once you have everything set up, select Save Changes. Remember, you can set up as many shipping zones as you like. It's all about the customization. I'm Emily, thanks for watching.